Hello, Veraya here, or Shimo. So, I'm going to help you making a bot. I got requested to make a bot for Voss on a Discord that I am in. So, if you really want to make a bot easily, I do not really, well, I recommend it if you just want to test out how to make a bot. So what you want to do is you want to go to my website, this link is in the description, and you want to go to projects, then go to NEXUS Discord bot, and go to would you rather make your own bot, click here. So click on the download button and let it download. It's not that big, it's only like 11 megabytes. So what you want to do is you want to drag it into wherever you want. I have a folder for this bot and voice meter is in the way. Here you go. And you want to extract it to Nexus. So, and then you can just delete this, I don't know. So, you want to do this, and you want to double click on this. What you want to have is Visual Studio. The link is in the description, you want to download it. So, when it says a security warning, just click on OK. Double click on mybot.cs and just for the note, you want to double check at the new get package manager wants to load if these both are installed. I did them with the installation, but the first time I tried this, these were not in there. So you just want to double check that those two are in. So, as you can see, this bot doesn't have a lot of variety in commands. What I just need to get going is that I set it online. But let's just make the bot kinda usable already. So what you want to do is you want to add a prefix. What's a cool prefix? I find a $sign pretty cool. Alright, so your token. If you don't know what a token is, you want to go to the Discord developers page. So you just want to look up Discord developers and you want to go to my apps. Then here you go. I already have made the bot, but let's just remove this. Right? I'll teach you delete application. Oh wait. Delete application. Alright? So you want to click on new and you want to add a name. You want to add an icon. I have that in this folder. And you want to click on create app. Building a sweet new app. And then create a bot user. What you want to do, you want to click on click to reveal. This token, do not give this to anyone you don't trust. After this video, I'm gonna scramble this token and instantly reset everything like with this token. So don't give this to anyone, and if you do, reset your token. It's right here, generate new token. Yes, do it. And now I have a weird token and I don't like that. I wanted a 5. I wanted in one thing. I get how it works, but I like that better. Alright. So you want to paste that into here. After you've done that, you can actually put it online already. This bot isn't in a server yet, right? So what we are going to do is we're gonna add, we're gonna open Notepad, and we're gonna take this one link. I'm gonna get that link really fast. That link is in the description. Be right back. So I'm back. I took this from another invite thing I have. The thing right now is censored because I don't want you to invite my bot. Well, I don't know which bot this one is from, but you wanna copy this, your client ID, and you wanna paste it in here. And you don't even have to paste it in here, you can just instantly go like this. So here you go, you have your link and you want to type this into your URL. This is gonna load And here you go. You can invite it. Let me add it to the server he wants it in. Authorize. And if I then go in here, yeah, I tried to do it before and I mistyped the name. You can see it's offline, but if I then run this, if I click on start, if I wait a little while, it needs to build the application, and sometimes it almost crashes, but that's because I'm recording. So here you go, guild available, Karimi's Lounge, and as you can see, it's online. So here you go. What you now can do is you can turn this off, and it still has the Nexus icon. So what you want to do is we want to go to Convertico, and you want to go to here. What you can do is you can upload any icon you want. I am gonna upload why the f is that image not in here? I have no clue what just happened, don't worry. I don't think JPEG is compatible. Well, that's a bit awkward. You just wanna upload your picture in here. I'm gonna do that after. And what you then wanna do is not in Discord. You wanna go into here, and you wanna go to properties, and you wanna go here and change this icon location to something else. You can also change the name. So Kurumi bot. I'm not gonna change that. You can, but you might mess something up. So just don't do that. So it's in now. It does have a lot of commands, but those will crash you because they're all called command name. So what we don't need is this. What you can do though is you can do Control X, and you can open a notepad. So once you actually do one day want this, you can still add it, right? So don't remove it. You can still use it, like, if you know what I mean. So we forgot to set her status, so use help for help. So command name, we don't really need a picture thing actually. So let's also add that in here. Don't know why it based like that. I don't need that anyway. I'm just doing it like you should do. So a 2-lined reply, which is really handy if you want to do something like version info. So you want to change the description, gives the version info, gives the current version info of Kurumi bot. So what you now want to change is you want to change line 1 to version version. I can't type, I'm really sorry. So then you want to do these two signs, so you have like it in a text box, and you want to do like, I don't know, a space there actually, alpha version 1.0.0. What can I put in the second line? Like, I have some info there, like the release date or something, I don't know. Release date. What date is it today? 4/28. 4/28/17. And you can add as many plus a environment, new line, and then add more if you really want to. A one-lined reply, what I'll just do is a ping pong command, so you know it works. This won't be the actual bot, by the way, don't don't worry. So I don't really need a random picture reply, but I do want to help you with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get some, well, I'm just gonna use these pictures that are in from my own bot NEXUS. So what you want to do, if you want like a random picture reply, I'm gonna change this later, don't worry. This doesn't really fit in with the bot, but what you want to do is you want to make a new folder at first, actually. So you want to you want to create a new folder, like it's somewhere in here. You can find it yourself here. Add new folder. There you go. So what you want to do when and then you want to put all your pictures in there, but you can't instantly put your picture like the path of the picture. What you want to do is you want to set this. This will first be at do not copy. Change this to copy if newer. So now you can do this. If I slash rr1.png and copy this, actually, so I don't have to, there you go, and rr2.png. If I then run that command soon, it basically, like this command, oh, I didn't change this. I might have to update that. I'll update that later. So you want to change the command name then to, I don't know, testing if works. If it works. So the bot owner, like the person that wants me to make this bot, won't think like, why the hell is that in there? Test 1 2 3. Don't edit anything in here. It's already set up. You just have to add that. So you can also change this to testing if this works, and testing 3 2 1. Oh wait, it needs to be the same as there. Alright, so what you then want to do is you want to go back up. Where is it? Oh, here you go. So random text 1 and random text 2 is fine for now. I don't care. So we are almost done. We forgot to add one more thing though, and that is this. No, not this. This is if you mention the bot, it gives you info. So hello, thank you for using Kurumi bot. You don't have to add your own help command, by the way. I'll show you that soon. Use help to, oh, sorry for that voice crack, to get started. So you can now run this and it will work, but by limitations of this version of Discord API, oh, I forgot to change the app name somewhere in here. Let's do that after. By the limitations of the Discord .net that I'm using right now, you need to do set play to set it to play, and I did something wrong. What's the command? Well, oh wait, I already know what I did wrong. Set play. There you go. So you can do did I forget something? Did I remove something important? Oh, I forgot to change this. You can change this to the app name you want it to be. But we have a problem. I can't find out why the help doesn't work. I'll be right back. Oh, I already see it. It just failed to send a message. This. I don't know why, but it can't talk. Set it as an admin. Alright. I don't know why, but normal people can't talk. It wasn't the code. Don't ask why the hell it's not my Discord. So then help. Here you go. You already have the commands here. So as you can see, help ping bong. If you do help version, and then you have version info, and if I then do help version info, gives the current version of Kurumi bot. If I then do version info, and by the way, it's not capital sensitive, and if I then do, it's not capital sensitive. So where is the dollar sign? I was looking for the dollar sign. Help testing. I forgot the commands actually, so help testing if, okay, now I know it again, if it works and if this works. Okay, so testing if it works. It does. And if I do testing if this works, random text 1, and if I do it again, like you'll see my luck that it just gets the same text over and over again. Yeah, alright, there you go. And if I do this, because of course you don't know if it's random, if it's, is it a different? Yeah, it's already a different one. So, I hope you liked this video, and I really hope it helped you making your own bot. Maybe I'll make a new one on version 1.0, but I seriously don't know how it works yet. I need to look into it, and I need to read some stuff about it. You can just still change the app name, it's over here, so you can be like Kurumi bot. And if you then launch it, here you go, start. There you go, Kurumi bot. So I'm gonna make this a real bot. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope I helped you. Give this a like if this did help you. Give this a dislike if it didn't help you. And I have no clue. Check out my website. Self plug. Be right back. Just see ya.